Hi, I'm Elizabeth with New and Blue, and I'm going to show you how to assemble a wedding favor. Go ahead and make sure you have all of your supplies laid out on a table. You'll notice that I have my favor boxes, a top and a bottom, a pair of scissors, ribbon, a favor tag, a jar of candy, and a Dixie cup. To start, let's go ahead and take the top of our favor box. To assemble, go ahead and fold in all of the edges to place a crease. Once you have done that, take the edge furthest away from you and go ahead and pinch the corners in. Fold that flap down to secure. Next, go ahead and pinch the other two corners in. Also fold down and secure. Go ahead and place the tab underneath the hook at the bottom of the top of the favor box. This will secure all four sides. Next, pick up your bottom. Simply put pressure on all four sides to allow the box to seal the bottom. Go ahead and push in the sides to secure down. With the final flap, go ahead and push all the way down. You'll notice that the bottom will be fully covered. Next, go ahead and take your candy. Fill the box with as much candy as desired for your guests. Go ahead and seal the box. Take your ribbon. A good measurement is about an arm's length to the center of your chest. Go ahead and cut your ribbon. Tie the box to secure all the candy inside. If you need help while tying the box, don't hesitate to ask for help. Once you tie a knot on top, this is a good opportunity to go ahead and secure your favor tag if you have one. Simply slide the favor tag onto the ribbon and tie a bow. Your favors are now ready for your wedding, courtesy of New and Blue.